Hi guys, good morning. This is Coach Lim, your financial doctor, helping you understand life insurance the easiest way. By the way, before anything else, I'd like to ask you a question. Kumusta naman yung home quarantine at saka yung lockdown experience natin dyan? May balita na ba kayo kung kailan tayo makakalaya? Kasi miss ko na yung normal na pumuhay. Anyways guys, I'd like to share to you yung experience ko kung paano ko i-handle yung lockdown at saka home quarantine. So, please watch this short clip.
A few moments later.
So that's it guys. So that's the short video clip of my routine during the lockdown. So I know for sure that there are a lot of you right there who are watching this video who can relate from what I am doing now. So by the way guys, since I could no longer meet my clients the way I used to do it, I have decided to start my own vlog here in YouTube, so that I can continue educating, inspiring, and encouraging people to really understand the beauty and the importance of life insurance. So in today's vlog, I'm gonna be talking about what is really life insurance, why it is so important, and why it should be the foundation of our financial portfolio. So to understand completely about life insurance, please stay until the end of the video. Yes, Doc. Yes, I understand that. Okay, Doc. Okay, I see. Well, as your financial consultant, I don't recommend you to make a partial withdrawal at this time. Why? Because what we're experiencing right now is just a paper loss, but the moment you withdraw it, it becomes an actual loss, which I believe you don't want, right? Yes, so my recommendation is that just keep your policy active. Yes, so just keep your policy active. It's because even though with your investment program, the investment side is not performing well yet you have a life insurance coverage that gives protection to whatever uncertainties happens to you. Yes. So also, what we can do is let's just wait until the market rebounds, because surely if we'll be able to experience the full-blown of this recession 2020, yes, so when we're on the rock bottom, the next direction that the stocks could go is going up. All right, so let's just wait until there will be a reversal, because I know for sure that your money and also my money will be making a lot. Okay, Doc. Okay, so is there anything else? All right, so okay, so so all right, Doc. Well, thank you so much as well. So stay safe and God bless you. Okay guys, so that's what I'm doing now. So that's my client calling me because he wants to make a partial withdrawal with his life insurance and investment program. So by the way, to give you a little bit of background about myself, I am a financial consultant in one of the biggest life insurance company here in the Philippines. All right. So what is really life insurance? Life insurance, it is a financial tool that replaces the income of the breadwinner of the family if something could happen to him or her physically. Maybe because of sickness, maybe because of accident, maybe because of disability, death, and old age. So now let me show you guys a concept for you to understand better. So when it comes to earning money, whether you are a businessman, an employee, a freelance, or a YouTuber, there's a cycle behind that, okay? So we have what we call the wealth creation cycle. Oo, so I hope kita siya. So ayan. So ito ang tawag niya wealth creation cycle. So di ba? As we earn money, just like what I said earlier, if you're an employee, if you are a businessman, or if you are a freelancer, of course, the first thing that you should do, what you are doing, is to provide the service. So you're providing your service or your expertise. Now, in exchange of that, the company that you're connected with, they are giving you a salary, right? So that is your salary. So again, we provide our service. And then they will give us a salary in exchange of that. Okay, and after that, that salary is what we're gonna use for our monthly expenses. So, di ba? So, please remember this, that when it comes to finance, okay, we're only as good as being capable to provide our service. So, in Tagalog, ano lang tayo. So, hanggat may pakinabang tayo sa mga kumpanya, hanggat makakaprovide tayo ng service natin, dyan lang tayo magiging okay. So, di ba? So, but in life, no? So, sa life natin, hindi naman natin ma-deny na there are a lot of uncertainties. There are a lot of possibilities that could cause us to stop providing our service. So, according to the survey, there are top five uncertainties that can potentially wipe out your income, that can cause you to stop working, and that can potentially wipe out your savings. So there are 5, no? So I hope this nakita nyo dyan. So these are the income stoppers. So number 1 is we have sickness. Okay? Diba? So when it comes to sickness, alam naman natin kahit doktor nagkakasakit. Diba? So, if you have tried to go to hospital, diba ang makikita nyo dyan, mula newborn babies hanggat matanda na, makikita mo dun sila ng mga pasyente, diba? So, meaning to say, what we can learn from sickness is that it doesn't choose whether you are young or old, whether you are healthy or sick, whether you are rich or poor. Diba? So, yun yung malilearn natin sa sickness. And when it comes to accident, diba, si accident din, that's the second uncertainties, no, that can potentially wipe out your income. Because when it comes to accident, we don't know how severe we could get this one. Diba? And this could lead us to disability. So, if you get disabled, of course, diba, wala nang mag-provide, hindi ka na makakapagtrabaho, especially if your job, it involves a full functionality of you as a human being. So, we have here death. So, if you're taken out of the picture, di ba? Kung mawawala ka na, especially if you are a breadwinner of the family, this is very critical. Pag nawala ka, who do you think will replace your position, di ba? So, and also old age, di ba? Kung hindi tayo tatamaan ng sickness, accident, disability, and death, pwede rin tayong, di ba, yung isang pupuntahan natin is old age or the retirement stage, di ba? So, now, itong lahat ng to, pag tumama to sa'yo, okay? Or let's just say, for example, if any of this na lang, hindi naman lahat, okay? So, if any of this would hit you, so alam mo ba kung anong mangyayari? Okay, so, let me flip this one, no? So, again, nasa wealth creation cycle pa rin tayo. Okay. So, let's just say for example, no, isa dun sa uncertainties, which is, let's just take sickness for example, because yun yung pinaka-common eh. So, let's just say for example, you got sick, okay? And let's say, that's critical illness, right? Critical illness. Diba? So alam naman natin, when it comes to critical illness, hindi natin talaga ma-determine kung magkano yung babayaran natin sa hospital. We don't know that. We could not, there's no way for us to find out as to how much it would cost us when we're getting confined in the hospital. So, di ba, nagkasakit ka, let's say you got critically ill, okay? So, whether you are a doctor, whether you are a seafarer, an engineer, a vice president, or a president of the company, or let's say you are a lawyer, so walang exception, di ba? So let's just say, nagkasakit ka. Ang tanong niyan, di ba? Do you think you can still provide your service pagka nagka-critical illness ka? Of course not, di ba? Apparently not. Why? It is because you are critically ill. So kailangan mong magpahinga at kailangan mo ring mag-under ng rehabilitation. Okay, so meaning to say, pag wala na itong si service, di ba? So, crash out natin si service. Ang next na tanong is, meron pa bang magsusweldo sa'yo? Do you think that company you are connected with right now will still give you a salary? Even if you no longer provide your expertise or your services to them? Definitely not. Di ba? So meaning to say, if you stop working, it also means that you stop earning kasi wala ka ng salary. But does your family stop spending? Di ba? Hindi tumitigil yung pamilya natin sa pag-spend. Di ba? Pwede mo bang sabihin sa asawa mo na hindi mo na sila kakain kasi wala kang sweldo, wala kang trabaho? Pwede mo bang sabihin sa mga anak mo na wag muna silang mag-aral? Kasi wala ka pang income? Di ba hindi? That's the reality of life. Oo. So again, if you stop working, you also stop earning. But we don't stop spending. Okay? So now, there are two questions that you should ask yourself. So if you are a breadwinner of the family at nanonood ka sa video na to, you should ask yourself, di ba? These two questions, where should you get the money for the monthly expenses kung tatamaan ka ng aksidente, sakit, disability, or worst case scenario, you're taking out the picture which means death, or pagtatanda ka na. Diba? And the next question that you should ask yourself is, who will take over your position? Diba? Kaya bang i-take over ng anak mo o ng asawa mo ang posisyon mo para makapag-provide ka ng service? At kaya ba kayang ipunin ng asawa mo or kitain ng asawa mo ang sweldo mo? Diba? So, yan lang. Simple lang. Diba? Okay, Coach Lem, sige, sabihin natin na hindi na ako makapag-provide sa service ko or sa expertise ko sa company. So wala na rin akong salary, pero may savings naman ako. So pwede pa rin magamit ng family ko. Pwede ba? So pwede pa rin makasurvive pa rin yung family ko. Now the first question that I'm gonna ask you, kung may savings ka, enough ba yan para mag-cover sa hospital bills? What if 1 million yung naging bill mo sa hospital kasi critical illness? Okay? May 1 million ka ba? Diba? Kung meron ka man, lahat yan maubos, lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, lahat ng milyones mo sa bangko. Let's just say, 1 million yung pera mo sa bangko, mauubos din yan. So, pag naubos, so meaning to say, sa critical illness pa lang, ang 1 million mo naubos na, paano naman yung pang-maintenance mo? Paano naman yung expenses ng family mo? Di ba? Wala pa rin. Ubos pa rin. So, yun yung mangyayari. Okay, sige, pagpalagay natin. Coach Lem, oo nga, naintindihan ko, I understand na kailangan natin ng income replacement fund. So, why should I buy life insurance? Why would I buy life insurance if I can just do it on my own? Kung kaya kong mag-save sa sarili ko, ako yung mag-accumulate ng 2 million. O let's say 1 million. Sige, pagpalagay na lang natin, pagbibigyan kita. Okay? Okay, let's just say, sa kalagitnaan ng pag-iipon mo, 'di ba? So hindi ka bumili ng life insurance kasi gusto mong ikaw talaga. You will do it yourself, okay? That's what we call it, a do it yourself option. So let's just say for example, after 4 months, may nangyari sa iyo. Let's just say as you do it your own, nagsiset aside ka ng 3,000 per month. At yun nga, 4 months after, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman natin alam eh. Life happens, 'di ba? Just like what happened to Kobe Bryant. Do you think he is expecting? Nag-expect ba siya na may mangyari sa kanya bukas? Na ganun yung magiging ending, ganun yung magiging situation ng buhay niya? Ganun yung magiging last experience sa mundo? Sa helicopter crash? I'm sure wala. Hindi niya iniisip yun, di ba? So let's say in 4 months time sa pag-iipon mo, nagka-critical illness ka. Palagay lang naman natin, knock on the wood. Okay. So, 3,000 times 4 equals 12,000. Diba na-diagnose ka ng critical illness, magkano lang yung pera mo? 12,000 lang. Do you think your 12,000 is enough for you? Sa hospital bills pa lang, kukulangin ito eh. Paano na lang kaya yung tuition fee ng mga anak mo kung nag-aaral sila? Paano na lang kaya yung mga amortization sa bahay? Diba? Paano na lang kaya yung amortization sa sasakyan? Yung groceries natin monthly. Yung electricity bill at saka water bill. Kukulangin pa. Diba? So, okay, sige coach, pagpalagay natin, let's choose or I'll purchase a policy. Okay? So, sige, pag mag-purchase ka ng policy, ano ba yung magiging benefit ko? Alright. So, let's flip this one. Okay. So, let's put it this way, no? Ito, example lang naman to. So, I just want you guys to understand the value of having life insurance and the power that life insurance has. Okay. Let's just say, for example, the same amount, 3,000 yung monthly premium mo, sa life insurance, okay, and in 4 months time, the same event happened, nagka-critical illness ka. So, di ba? So, magkano lang yung nahulog mo? 12,000. Pag nag-diagnose ka ng critical illness, ito yung magiging coverage mo. 1 million for critical illness. Meron ka ring 1 million sa accident, 1 million sa disability, and 1 million sa death. So, let's say 4 months time, may nangyari sa'yo. 12,000 lang yung nahulog mo, pero magkano ba yung coverage mo? 1 million? Meron ka ng 1 million na critical illness, di ba? That's the power of having life insurance. Kasi ang concept nito, bumili ka ng policy, binigyan ka ng coverage na 1 million, guaranteed yan kung may mangyayari sa'yo. At ang ginagawa mo is, binabayaran mo siya ng staggered basis. And the good thing about life insurance, itong 1 million, hindi mo ito babayaran lahat. You will just pay a fraction of this. Oo, a fraction lang yung babayaran mo. Hindi mo ito babayaran itong 1 million na amount. Fraction lang, tapos staggered basis pa. Di ba ang ganda? Kung nagsisave ka sa bangko, o kung nagsisave ka sa piggy bank mo, ang tanong ko sa'yo, kung may nangyari ba na critical illness, enough ba yan? May assurance ka ba na may 1 million ka ba na coverage? Di ba wala? Yan ang power ng life insurance. Oo. And that is why I am encouraging you guys, if you are a breadwinner of the family, or if you are a daughter, or if you are a son, or if you are a wife watching this video, yung papa niyo OFW, or let's just say, he's a doctor, he's a lawyer, di ba? At kung wala pa siyang life insurance, sana ma-share nyo tong video na to. Di ba? Again guys, the reason why I'm encouraging you, why am I educating you, why am I inspiring you, it is because para to sa inyo, hindi to para sa akin. Diba? Kasi, ang beneficiary ng program nyo, yung mga anak nyo, yung papa nyo, yung mama nyo, hindi ako. Diba? So, I am doing this for you guys, and I hope you will take advantage of life insurance kasi hindi natin alam ano yung magiging yung kahinat na ng buhay natin eh. Wala. And do you think those people in the hospitals, do you think sila nag-expect sila na next week or next day mako-confine na sila sa hospital? Di ba hindi? Walang nag-iisip ng ganyan. That's our nature as a human being. Hindi natin iniisip yung mga posibilidad. Pero yun nga eh, these are the events that could potentially wipe out our income. And it's better to prepare than huli na ang lahat. It's better to prepare than regret. Oo. So, di ba? Or let's just say, Coach Lem, yung life insurance lang ba, para lang ba, ano yan? What if old age, di ba? What if hindi accident? What if hindi critical illness? What if hindi accident? What if hindi disability? What if hindi death? So, retirement lang. The good thing about life insurance nowadays is they are linked to investment. And that's what we call VUL. That's the modern life insurance, or it's like the updated version of the old insurance policies. Diba? So, ito, I'd like to show you a projection. Again, this is only a projection. Oo. So, kasi, ang life insurance ngayon, customize siya. Oo. Pwede nating palakihan yung coverage. Tapos, yung investment, medyo hindi na ganun kalakihan. Oo. Tapos, pwede naman nating paliitin yung coverage kung gusto mo. Tapos, malaki din yun ang investment side. Okay, so I will show you a projection. Oo. So, I hope you guys, no, makikita nyo to. So, let's just say, saving 3,000 a month, the same premium, alright? Or 3,000 monthly or 1,500 per cut off every 15 days. So, yun lang obligation mo. So, this is based sa 25 years old, no? 25 years old na investor, okay? So now, if you will invest this, the life insurance company, they are giving you the first component is the protection. You are protected. Nag-i-invest ka at may protection ka pa. So, let's say for example, no, yung insurance coverage natin is 1 million. So, yung disability natin is 500,000. Yung accidental coverage natin, 500,000. Yung critical illness natin, 500,000. At saka kung ma-hospital ka, kung ilang days ka sa hospital, meron ka ring 1,000 per day. Oo. Kasi sa life insurance natin, marami tayong tinatawag na riders na pwede nating isama sa ating policy, di ba? So ito, si hospital income, isa tong rider. Oo. So, again, kung makikita nyo, nag-iba yung coverage natin kasi nga customize. Oo, customize, di ba? So, ganina, pinakita ko 1 million lahat. Pwede naman yun, tapos pwede na nating palitan or mas palakihan pa kung kaya sa budget nyo. Oo. So, di ba, gaya na sinabi ko, let's say for example, walang nangyari, normal lang, nag-retire ka, so, magkano ba yung growth ng money mo? So, ito sa ubos, meron tayong, di ba, investment portion. Oo. So, unahin natin, at age 65, pag nag-retire ka, just by investing 3,000 every month, ang retirement mo, pag age 65 mo, so let's say, 25 years old ka ngayon, in 40 years time, meron ka ng 11.6 million. Or let's say, you want to retire at age 60, you will have 7.2. Diba? Or let's just say, 10 years after, meron ka ng 380,000. 15 years, 839, 20 years, 1.5. This is just a projection for the investment side. And this depends on the performance of the market. This is not guaranteed, right? But this depends on the performance of the market. Pero ang tanong ko sa'yo, kung 10 years ka na nagtatrabaho, kung nag-set aside ka lang ng 3,000, di ba? Ang ganda ka, protected ka na, may investment ka pa. Kayong mga 10 years na nagtatrabaho, may naipon na ba kayo? Di ba wala? Kung nakapag-ipon ka lang 10 years ago, siguro yung pera mo, ito na, 380,000 na. May coverage ka pa. Di ba? That's the advantage of life insurance. Life insurance nowadays, it's no longer an option. it is a necessity. Sa lahat ng mga gastusin mo, pag isali mo itong life insurance, this is the only expense in the present time, but also an asset in the future time. Sa lahat ng expense mo ngayon, pag may nangyari sa'yo, si life insurance nang yung magsisave sa'yo, yung magbibigay sa'yo ng pera. So guys, you really need a life insurance. You really need a life insurance. So I hope, di ba, okay naman. I'm not against that you want to enjoy in the present time. Okay naman, kahit ako, gusto kong mag-enjoy sa present time. But what I do encourage you guys is that enjoy for the present time, but also prepare for the future. Ba? Yun lang yung advice ko sa inyo. It's because, I understand, we only live once. But again, we don't know what's gonna happen to us. We also live longer. We also grow older. Diba? Yun yung point. So guys, again, life insurance is one of the most important asset that you should have in your financial portfolio. Okay? So, I hope guys meron kayong natutunan. And by the way, I'd like to, may dalawang question pa tayo. So, ito kasi sa 3 years ko na sa financial life insurance industry as a financial consultant, meron pa ring mga tao na hindi nila alam kung sino talaga kukunan ng life insurance sa pamilya nila. So, it should be, ang una talagang kukunan mo ng life insurance is yung breadwinner of the family. Kasi di ba yung income nila, napaka-importante. So, since sila yung breadwinner, so meaning to say, kung may nangyari sa kanila, malaki yung income na mawawala. So, kailangan sila yung insured muna. Yung pangalawa, yung asawa, tapos yung mga anak, meron din sila. So, uunahin muna yung si breadwinner of the family. Kasi siya yung provide talaga. So, again, si breadwinner yung uunahin. Tapos, another question din, na common question din ng mga gustong kumuha ng life insurance policies is that, transferable ba yung life insurance coverage natin? Pwede ko pa, pag sa pamilya namin, pag si breadwinner may life insurance, tapos yung asawa nagkasakit, itong mga anak nagkasakit, pwede ba naming matransfer yung yung coverage natin? So, ang answer dyan is hindi po. It's a no. Okay? So, hindi siya kagaya ng health insurance na pwede mong matransfer. So, life insurance and health insurance, this is a different financial tool. So, the reason why si health insurance pwede mong matransfer, it's because hindi siya linked sa investment. So, meaning to say, nagbabayad ka lang para sa sakit, para sa aksidente. So, kung walang mangyari sa'yo, wala ring cash value na babalik sa'yo. Wala siyang investment. Kaya pwede siyang matransfer yung benefit niya sa family members. Pero si life insurance kasi, pinapatubo niya yung pera mo per account siya, per individual siya. So, meaning to say, kung sino lang talaga yung insured, yun lang talaga yung covered. Kasi may investment side, tumutubo din siya yung pera mo as time goes by. So, mga guys, I hope that you're learning something from my video, no? So, guys, if you have some questions, kung meron kayong mga tanong, you can just comment below. And by the way, you can also text me or call me para naman kung may mga concern kayo, makontak nyo lang ako. So, no? I am very open, I'm very willing to educate you, to set an appointment with you para maturuan kayo, magaidan kayo kung ano talaga dapat unahin. So guys, here's my number, 0966-166-5909. You can contact me anytime, you can text me anytime, you can message me anytime so that we can set an appointment. By the way, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to tap that notification bell so that you will get updated every time I create new content about life insurance. So guys, I hope that this video helps you learn more, save more, invest more, so that you'll become a blessing to your family and to other people. So bye for now.